start raining this early yet, but it's me, Don Styles. I just did my coilovers yesterday, and I've been driving. Well, I've been driving a lot actually. Well, not that much, but yeah, I should have done this sooner because it is night and day difference. Like, first off, in looks and in performance, like it looks good. Drives amazing, significantly smoother than what I had before, which was stock. It was super high. I could put in a image of it before, but this is the after. It looks crazy. It looks so good. So I got Tein Street Bases Z coilovers. They're adjustable coilovers, but they're not dampening adjustable. So it's legit just one way up and down kind of thing. I was gonna get Street Advance, but I figured I'm probably not gonna need to dampen the suspension like consistently. I'll probably end up just setting it one time and that's it. So I was just like, I'm gonna just get this, call it a day. I just needed something that's good for like daily driving. And yeah, that's it. Cause I don't do anything crazy besides, some highway stunts. And anyway, I don't do anything crazy. I just drive, have a little fun, occasional this and that here and there. But yeah, I don't know if you can see that. You definitely can. A little bit. But yeah. Night and day. If you have the opportunity to get some coilovers for your car, do it. I say one of the sooner modifications to do, because not necessarily just coilovers, but any like lowering, if that's what you prefer. I like, precision driving, tight corners, stuff like that. To me, that gives the most satisfaction. So, yeah. I love it. I mean, it's really only been not even day 2, maybe like a few hours. 12, 10, 15. Who cares? Day 2, alright? Day 2 with my coilovers. Love it. I need them to set though. And then I also still need to get an alignment so I can have the proper camber needed or whatever, and all that stuff, all that good stuff. So I'm eventually gonna get some new wheels. I want to get the STI BBS wheels in gold and then eventually get in black, but for now I'm gonna stick with this. I'm debating if I want to get spacers because I would like it to sit flush, but I mean, I hear a lot of bad. I hear like, it's okay, but mostly I hear bad, so I'm just like, I don't know what I want to do. So yeah, I got this lip. It's I got it off of eBay. It's supposed to be based off the V Limited from the STI, and I had to do a little bit of modification to get it to fit, like some cutting and stuff and manipulating, but yo, this thing was good. When I say this thing was good. But yeah, that's it. I ain't have anything else to say. I'm about to go back and drive, honestly. Shoot. suspension, and this joint is fire. You feel me? So probably gonna drive my car a lot more, just because I look at it and I'm just like, damn, you look good. Let me drive you. And then I end up spending $30 on gas, like every 2 days, kind of thing. That's probably what's gonna happen, just because my car looks that good. LOL. Anyway, yeah. So I don't really have anything else to say. I don't really have much to say. I really expected to say everything in the parking lot, but it started raining, so you know, I had to adapt and adjust. But yo, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. If not, well, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know why you even clicked on it, you feel me? But yeah, subscribe for more. Probably do some more. Actually, I